Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering Salesforce Certified Platform Developer Tool. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comments. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is: which of the following variables are not transmitted in the view state? Choose two options. Option A, private. Option B, transient. Option C, public. And option D, static. The correct answer is option B and D. Next question is: the account edit button must be overridden in an organization where a subset of users still use Salesforce Classic. The organization already has a Lightning component that will do the work necessary for the override, and the client wants to be able to reuse it. How should a developer implement this? Option A: override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a Lightning component. Option B: override the edit button for both Lightning and Classic with a new Visual Force page. Option C: override the edit button for Lightning with the Lightning page and Classic with a Visual Force page that contains a Lightning component. And option D: override the edit button for Lightning with a Lightning component and Classic with a Visual Force page that contains the Lightning component. The correct answer is option C. Next question is: which of the following standard fields are indexed? Choose three options. Option A, name. Option B, created by. Option C, system mode stamp. Option D, last modified date. And option E, record type. The correct answer is option A, C, and E. Next question is: what is the optimal syntax for adding a link to a case in a Visual Force page? Choose two options. Please go through the options. The correct answer is option B and C. Next question is: a company has a web page that needs to get account record information given its Salesforce record ID from JavaScript on the page and then display it. Which method of integration is optimal? Option A, REST API. Option B, Apex SOAP Web Service. Option C, SOAP API. And option D, Apex REST Web Service. The correct answer is option A. Next question is: a business process requires sending new account records to an external system. The account name, ID, created date, and created bill must be passed to the external system in near real time when an account is inserted without error. How should a developer achieve this? Option A, use a before insert trigger and the queuable class. Option B, use a before insert trigger and an @future method. Option C, use a process builder that calls an @invocable method. And option D, use a workflow rule that calls an @invocable method. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, a developer creates an application event that has triggered an infinite loop. What may have caused this problem? Option A. The event handler calls a trigger. Option B. The event has multiple handlers registered in the project. Option C. An event is fired on touchend and is unhandled. And option D. The event is fired from a customer handler. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, how can the distance and geolocation functions be used in SOQL queries? Choose two options. Option A, to filter results based on distance from a latitude and longitude. Option B, to get the distance results from a latitude and longitude. Option C, to order results by distance from a latitude or longitude. And option D, to group results in distance range from a latitude and longitude. The correct answer is option A and C. Thank you.